So the next step would be to look at the IR and the NMR of a problem after you figure out the degree of unsaturation. And this is very easy. This is just practically given to you. If you have the NMR of 3500 to 3300, that'd be OH, NH, or NH2, and you would figure that out by looking at the NMR. We normally skip these two and we move on to 1700. 1700 is the long rod-like, which is O double bond C, and 1600 would be a benzene ring, which contain, for the degree of saturation, you'd have 4 or more, and you would need 6 or more carbons. And normally this can be a little tricky figuring out if it's OH or NH, but the way you can tell is this contains a nitrogen and this contains oxygen. So if you have nitrogen in your formula, it's most likely NH or NH2 rather than OH. If you move on, there's NMR. This is actually very, very simple as well. It's practically given to you. You should know this. The chemical shift, it's upfield, this is downfield. If you look at 4.1, that'd be an O double bond C with that attached to it. 1 would be OH or the NH, which we saw before from 3500 to 3300. 2 would be NH2, and you can just tell by looking at this, the NMR structures.